Hi guys, here is a Unity video with an update for the low poly game kit, in which I import the first aid box that I created with Blender and use it for player rehab. So here is the box and I just drag it into the scene like that, and then I add a box collider to it. After that I drag the C# script first aid to the inspector and add it to the box. And here you can see I changed the inventory item script a bit, so that you can define the name for the inventory item easily here in the inspector. Okay, then I drag in a sprite that is used for a slot of the inventory item when you collect it, and you can also define health points that you gain when you pick up the item. Okay, so I set this here to 25, then let's open the script in Visual Studio to see how this is implemented. It's very simple. I defined the health points as a public variable, the default is 20, and in the use method that I have overwritten I call a new method called rehab of the player controller that you can access now by using a new game manager component. After calling the rehab method, I remove the first aid item from the inventory and destroy the game object. So this means you can use this item one time, gain the health points, and then it is gone. Okay, so let's see it in action. Currently I have one health box here, one first aid item. Now I duplicate this. It is a normal inventory item. I could collect more of it and then they will be stacked in the inventory. Now I walk here inside of the fire and lose a lot of health points. Then I collect the first aid items. Here the first one, then the second one, and you can see we have two items in one slot. And then I click it and the first one is used, we gain health points. And I click it again and used up all the first aid items with that, but the health is completely restored. Okay guys, this is a new feature of the low poly game kit that I added to version 0.55, which you can download for free from the Unity Asset Store. I want to keep it available for free, so if you want to help this game kit and my channel grow, consider supporting me on my Patreon. Thanks for watching guys, thanks for your support, and see you soon here on JNM.